Hello, my name is Sunny. I'm from JIUDING Refrigeration, China. This is my colleague, Afridi. He's our country director, and Basit, he's our country manager. This is our second time being Pakistan, and during the researching about the market last year, we found a lot of opportunity here, and we want to push our business here as soon as possible. So last year we built our branch office in Islamabad already, and we got our own technology team. We have a strong power to push our business here, and our mainly target market is industrial field like pharmaceutical, medicine, cold storage, and ice making factory, etc. We want to bring our high technology and good quality products to Pakistan, and we had made our plan to build our own factory here. We need support from the government, from peoples, all of you. Actually, this is a very successful exhibition for us, and we already make many communication with several end customers. This is a good platform for us. Thank you.